Wake up. Wake up.
ភ្ញាក់ឡើង
I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock.
ខ្ញុំភ្ញាក់ពីគេងនៅម៉ោង 6
Turn off the alarm. Turn off the alarm.
បិទសំឡេងរោទ៍
Dara wakes up and turns off the alarm. Dara wakes up and turns off the alarm.
តារាភ្ញាក់ហើយបិទសំឡេងរោទ៍
Get up. Get up.
ក្រោកឡើង
It's time to get up. It's time to get up.
ដល់ពេលក្រោកហើយ
Make the bed. Make the bed.
រៀបចំកន្លែងគេង
I make the bed in my bedroom every day. I make the bed in my bedroom every day.
ខ្ញុំរៀបចំកន្លែងគេងរបស់ខ្ញុំជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃ
Wash your face. Wash your face.
លាងមុខរបស់អ្នក
I wash my face every morning. I wash my face every morning.
ខ្ញុំលាងមុខរាល់ព្រឹក
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth.
ដុសធ្មេញរបស់អ្នក
Don't forget to brush your teeth. Don't forget to brush your teeth.
កុំភ្លេចដុសធ្មេញរបស់អ្នក
Brush your hair. Brush your hair.
សិតសក់របស់អ្នក
I brush my hair every day. I brush my hair every day.
ខ្ញុំសិតសក់រាល់ថ្ងៃ
Clip nails. Clip nails.
កាត់ក្រចក
I clip my sister's nails. I clip my sister's nails.
ខ្ញុំកាត់ក្រចកឲ្យប្អូនស្រីខ្ញុំ
Put on makeup. Put on makeup.
លាបគ្រឿងសម្អាង
I always put on makeup before I go out. I always put on makeup before I go out.
ខ្ញុំតែងតែផាត់មុខមុនពេលចេញទៅក្រៅ
Get dressed. Get dressed.
ស្លៀកពាក់
I usually get dressed before I have breakfast. I usually get dressed before I have breakfast.
ជាធម្មតាខ្ញុំស្លៀកពាក់មុនពេលញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹក
Have breakfast. Have breakfast.
ញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹក
I usually have breakfast at about 8 o'clock. I usually have breakfast at about 8 o'clock.
ជាធម្មតាខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារពេលព្រឹកនៅម៉ោងប្រហែល 8
Go to school. Go to school.
ទៅសាលារៀន
I go to school every morning. I go to school every morning.
ខ្ញុំទៅសាលារៀនរាល់ព្រឹក
Go to work. Go to work.
ទៅធ្វើការ
He doesn't go to work on Sundays. He doesn't go to work on Sundays.
គាត់មិនទៅធ្វើការនៅថ្ងៃអាទិត្យទេ
Drive to work. Drive to work.
បើកឡានទៅធ្វើការ
I drive to work every day. I drive to work every day.
ខ្ញុំបើកឡានទៅធ្វើការរាល់ថ្ងៃ
Work. Work.
ការងារ
He works hard all day. He works hard all day.
គាត់ខំធ្វើការពេញមួយថ្ងៃ
Take a break. Take a break.
សម្រាក
Let me take a break for 10 minutes. Let me take a break for 10 minutes.
អនុញ្ញាតឲ្យខ្ញុំសម្រាក10នាទី
Get home. Get home.
ទៅផ្ទះ
I get home at 11 o'clock. I get home at 11 o'clock.
ខ្ញុំត្រឡប់មកផ្ទះវិញនៅម៉ោង11
Leave school. Leave school.
ចាក់ចេញពីសាលា
I leave school at 6 p.m. every day. I leave school at 6 p.m. every day.
ខ្ញុំចេញពីសាលារៀននៅម៉ោង5 ល្ងាចជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃ
Have lunch. Have lunch.
ទទួលទានអាហារថ្ងៃត្រង់
I usually have lunch at 12 o'clock. I usually have lunch at 12 o'clock.
ជាធម្មតាខ្ញុំញ៉ាំអាហារថ្ងៃត្រង់នៅម៉ោង12
Take a nap. Take a nap.
គេងមួយភ្លែត
I usually take a nap after lunch. I usually take a nap after lunch.
ជាធម្មតាខ្ញុំគេងមួយស្របក់បន្ទាប់ពីអាហារថ្ងៃត្រង់